Hi guys, a quick review on the 160 LED light by Chromo. This is a quick review, so let's look at it. I already took out the plastics because I was trying to see what I was getting. Okay, quickly, what we have over here, we have one tungsten filter, and we have one diffuser, and we have one pinkish, which is for creativity. There's a hot shoe mount, a little bit stiff, but it works. I wouldn't mess with this a lot because I don't know whether it was the material that it was made of. It was a little bit loose, so I have to open it up and fix it. But it works once it is tight, so I wouldn't mess with it again. So it is loose. You can loosen it on this side to adjust it, and then over here you can loosen it to mount it on the camera. Okay, and then we have the LED light, and we have an adapter. Okay, a quick thing about this one, a good thing about this, once you take it out, you can see there it runs on 6 batteries, 6 AA batteries. At the same time, if you are not using the AA batteries, if you have for Panasonic batteries type, this is the adapter that goes right here, and then it snugs over there. Then you can put it back and then put your battery on the top of it, or it's a little bit stiff, but it works great. For me, I'm getting my Sony batteries, that's what I'm using. So this is for testing, on and off. The diffusers will go right there, and unlike my other one, this one is a little bit, actually I'm happy with this one. The other one, there was a little play and the material was a little bit thinner, so I'll show you guys that one a little bit later on. Okay, to test the battery life, actually you can see it's not going to light up until you turn it on. So the battery life, 4 lights, and then you have, I think, every 25. So we will go on. Okay, this is actually really bright. So from low all the way to high. Okay, so with the pink filter, it looks okay. So that would be with the pink filter. So, and right here we have the diffuser, and we have the tungsten. So pretty much I'm happy with this. Price, I got it for $35 from Amazon.com. The material is a plastic, don't drop it material, but it's a little bit, maybe it is because it's a smaller, it's a little bit harder than the other one that I'm using. Actually, I'm using my other one right here. So let me just show you the difference between this one and my 312 LED lights. So right here, let me leave this one where you can see, and this one is the one I'm using, which is the 312. So to change the temperature, you have, it is at the back. From right here, you can, by changing, you can go from full white to the tungsten, and at the same time you can adjust halfway from both. You can dim. Okay, so quickly over here is the power. The 312 LED light, it runs on two Sony type batteries. Over here we have the temperature to change the temperature from 32K to 56K. It's pretty good. I like it, but the only problem that I have with this is the material. The material is so cheap. Even the diffuser, it's so thin. If I twist it, or if I'm trying to use it upside down, it kept on falling off. Okay, well, at the same time, let me just turn off this thing. Okay, as you can see, I dropped it once and this thing is in pieces. It's easily cracked. So does this work? Yes, I'm going to glue it, and then I'm still going to use it. But at the same time, would I spend my money on this one? I don't think I'm going to do that. I'd rather buy two of the smaller ones, which is 160 LED, and this one is 312 LED. So I would spend my money on this one. The difference is this was $35, which is comparing to $160 with this one. Yes, you're gonna get more light with this, but at the same time, if I have to double this, I'd rather spend about $70 and double those two and use them. This one, it comes with additional shoe mount on the top, but knowing what type of material is, I have never used it for mic or something because probably will crack again. I'm not trusting this material at all. But with the two batteries, it has a tendency to tilt and to get heavy. This one is one battery, and I'm loving this one. So you can use six AA batteries, or you can use your Panasonic or any other batteries that are compatible with this one. I'm using the Sony F570. I have a bigger one, which is the 970, and that one tends to stick out all the way here, but at the same time I get more life for a lengthy time. So again, the test doesn't work over here while it is off. The other one, even though it is off, the test it works. It doesn't have to be on and off to test the battery life. Additionally, with this one, I can use a direct current on this one, which is between 4 to 14.8 volts. I have never used it because those batteries actually, they give you a long time. At probably an hour, almost 2 hours, I can get out of this. It can go up to 4 hours. I use them, but at the same time I had a replacement battery, so I have never checked them exactly whether they last about 4 hours as they say. But if you keep in mind of like the color quality and then the brightness, I think they are good. But material really cheap. Well, overall, I'm gonna do some shots using this one. I'm loving this small, compact. It fits good, and I can take it anywhere. Actually, it's way smaller than this one. I'm always careful with this, knowing, I don't know, maybe it was a little bit expensive compared to this one, but at the same time, this one, even if it breaks, I don't mind, because I can get another one for the price comparing this guy right here. Well, thank you guys. Let's do some test shots.